In this video, we will be going over percentages and how they are used to help calculate prices. Business and money will always be an important part of your life, and financial math is just a small stepping stone into that world. First, we need to understand percentages. Write the following percentages as a fraction and a decimal. 10%. To write it as a fraction, we take our number and divide it by 100, and that is our fraction form. To find the decimal, we can just type the fraction into a calculator. So for the decimal, we have 0.1. 59%. Write it as a fraction, that is 59 over 100, and as a decimal, 0.59. Calculate the following. 50% of 60. Let's write the percentage as a fraction, 50 over 100. Now we multiply that by 60, and that equals 30. Therefore, 50% of 60 is 30. 8.5% of 50. Write the percentage as a fraction, 8.5 over 100, multiplied by 50 equals 4.25. Therefore, 8.5% of 50 equals 4.25. Now, let's apply these percentages in real life. A bottle of milk costs 20 Rand. The store offers a discount of 25%. How much does the milk cost? Let's write out the percentage as a fraction. 25 over 100, now multiplied by the price. 25 over 100 times 20 equals 5. This 5 is our discount value. Now we take our price, which is 20, and minus our discount value. 20 minus 5 equals 15. Therefore, the milk will cost 15 Rand. A jacket costs 400 Rand. The store marks it up by 20%. How much is the jacket? Let's write the percentage in fraction form. 20 over 100 times 400 equals 80. This 80 is our markup price. Now we add 400 plus 80 equals 480. Therefore, the jacket cost 480 Rand. An easy way to remember this is with a discount, we minus the percentage value from the price. For markup, we add the percentage value to the number. A middleman buys a 200 Rand t-shirt at a 10% discount. He then sells the t-shirt at a 40% markup. In the end, what is the selling price of the t-shirt? So the man first buys the t-shirt before he can sell it. He buys it at a 10% discount, so 10 over 100 times 200 equals 20. We are discounting, so we subtract. 200 minus 20 equals 180. We now use the new 180 Rand cost price in our markup calculation. Now he sells the shirt at a 40% markup. 40 over 100 times 180, which equals 72. We are doing our markup, so we add 180 plus 72 equals 252 Rand. Therefore, the man sells the shirt for 252 Rand. Go and practice these sums. They aren't too difficult once you understand them. I am your math sensei, and I'll see you in the next video.